may come as no surprise, I'm doing all the assessment from chapter 1 in order. I mentioned at the end of the last video that it might get long-winded. Some of these videos will get long-winded, but luckily there's a function in YouTube where you can play it on double speed. My voice will be a little bit faster, a little bit squeakier. But if you don't want to listen to a 2-minute video, watch it on double speed. You'll still get the same amount of information. This question asks about a Diels-Alder reaction. That should be meaningless to you at this point, but a student once asked me, this is a true story, does this reaction happen in lab the same way it does in lecture? And well, if it's called the Diels-Alder reaction, there's a good chance that what room of the building we're in doesn't matter to how the reaction works. And really the take-home message of this assessment is create connections. Don't learn the material in really super isolated ways. The book has chapters. There are 28 chapters, and that makes you think there are 28 different topics. Don't study that way. It's one topic. It's the story of organic chemistry, and we're going to see the same fundamentals that we learn in chapter 2, 3, and 4 used in every single chapter. So as much as you can, create connections. Create connections between lecture and lab. Create connections between chapter 12 and chapter 17. Create connections between your biology class and, I don't know, chapter 8. Create connections between physics class and the some of the optical rotation stuff in chapter 6. Create connections. The more we create those connections, the more we interconnect the neurons that contain this information, the better we're going to become at recalling information.